If you're looking to partner something up with your new router lift, then I've got a treat in store for you. This is the new ENJOYWOOD router fence, and this thing is absolutely solid. I've got to admit, I've toyed between making my own router fence and getting an aftermarket edition, and I'm so glad that the good people at Banggood have sent me over this router fence to check out, because this thing is top notch. Let's have a quick look at it. So this was packaged just as I've come to expect from Banggood. It was really tightly packed, plenty of padding and solid as a house brick, so you can't go wrong there. Out of the box, what I liked is the condition that it already came in. It's pretty much self-made already. Add on this little guard at the top, the two handles, and the only cutting you've got to do is to add in these two pieces of T-track that come with it. One of the best features I think this thing has is how adjustable these handles are. And instead of messing about with nuts and bolts, everything tightens just with the twist of these really handy, easy to hold handles at the top. One of the things I love about ENJOYWOOD is just how simple everything is and how well it all works. The body itself is machined perfectly. I can't find a default anywhere on this, and I've looked all over with my set square trying to find something that could be wrong, and there's not a dicky bird out of place. I love this little attention to detail by having measures on the top. These are adjustable, so you can set them in line with your router cutter, so you know that you are measuring to and from the same place. I love the fact that it comes with its own little Allen key. That sounds like a something and nothing, but the amount of times that I've got a piece of kit and it's not had all the accessories that I've needed, this just is a fantastic little addition that makes things work that little bit better. I love the fact that the front of the fence is two separate pieces. This allows you to change the opening and the closing, making sure you've got the right gap for your cutter. I also like with this is that this would allow you to change this into kind of a thicknesser as well by putting some spacing blocks behind the latter part. It will give you that separation like you would find on a traditional jointer. That's great for a small workshop like mine and probably like yours, because it increases the level of versatility. It means that instead of having to lose another 2 meters worth of floor space for a jointer, I can do the same task with a straight cut bit here at the router table. I love the dust port. It's got a straight chute into where all the dust chippings are going to be. It's not one of these that travels down the back and you've got 2 or 3 90-degree turns. This thing is fantastic. It comes with a lovely little adapter as well that goes onto your hose. You can slip your hose straight into play. This is ideal if you've got, like mine, where you've got dust collection underneath. This allows you to have dust collection on top, doubling up the amount of suction that you can get and the less amount of dust that you're going to have to clean up afterwards. I love the fact that all the things are interchangeable. I've got an ENJOYWOOD mitre gauge, and that comes with a stop block. I love the fact that I can take out these rules on top and I can bring in this aftermarket stop block in case I need to be doing a limited amount of cuts where I might want to stop before I go through the entire piece. So looking back at it whole, I absolutely love this, from the quality of the T-track that you get, the handles that are just so ergonomically friendly, right through to the dust port extraction, the way that you can line things up and how solidly this is built. What a fantastic piece of kit. Let's talk about that little thing around cost. If you're watching this in November 2025, it's the Banggood sale, and this thing is down under £100 at the moment. I think it's around £96, £97, somewhere around there. Yes, that is an investment, but looking at the quality of this is a piece of kit that you're going to buy once, cry once, and this is going to see you out for years to come. I'll be honest with you, I am so excited to partner this up with the router lift that Banggood also sent me, because these two pieces of kit are going to change the way that my workshop works. Certainly one of the investments I've looked at is a jointer. Now, I was looking at a jointer that even second hand, you'd £500 or £600 second hand. Buying these two together, you could easily replicate that setup far cheaper, whilst also saving lots of precious room in your workshop. So if you like the look of this setup now, I'm going to leave some links below. They are affiliate links. It means that my channel might earn a few pounds from it, but it's not going to cost you any more. The code to use, as always on Banggood, for anything that I show is going to be Fat Hog. And that just leaves me to say, thank you very much for watching. I'm Ross. This is Fat Hog Woodworking, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.